With the NFT community and this rise in metaverse and everything else, we have a real chance to be on the right side of history financially and sociologically speaking.
Look, cryptocurrency, blockchain technologies, Web3,
Metaverse
all
really
of it's
does
fair
have
game.
the opportunity to change our world as we know it.
Iterate and adapt and change it to this so we're keeping up.
Smart contract verifies the authenticity
To be honest,
of
I'm
that
really
I
excited.
think Bitcoin is going to be the gold standard of
The
crypto.
frontier of this technology and NFTs, and that's where it's going.
People have just the next
NFT communities
evolution.
can help the little guy through
Eventually
networking.
become more comfortable with this notion of the metaverse.
Really excited to see how the world's going to adapt to crypto and
The
NFT.
new gold standard. I mean, it gives a lot of power back to the people, and that's a cool thing. It's a very powerful thing.